Hello. I have some amazing news today. I woke up to this news. In fact, I'm so excited about it that I haven't even had coffee, breakfast, water, nothing. Still got sleepies in my eyes here. But I wanted to come and announce this to everybody because people have been waiting for this, right? People have already been killing it with the Impulse scanner. It's just an incredible tool to help you find opportunities. And there's something that was added last year called the macro trend right here, this indicator, right? Very powerful indicator that shows up on the charts here. Let me see if I can, let me go up to a 5 minute. Okay. You can see the macro arrow here. It's a kind of like, I guess you could say, kind of a trend predictor. You can see where the macro arrow happened and this whole nice move here. And since we're trend traders, right, that's what we want. We want these nice moves. So on the, if you're scalping on the 1 minute, you want to be taking trades within 2 hours of this macro trend arrow. And if you're on the 5 minute, you can trade within 10 hours of that macro trend arrow, right? And you can see the macro and then look at all these pullback opportunities to get in, right? So the biggest thing people have been wanting is an alarm for the macro trend arrow. Well, guess what? Today it launched. It's updated. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. So if you're a customer, follow these directions. If you're not a customer, man, I don't know what you're waiting for. Last week, they updated the search to be able to sort by macro trend, right? So you can bring all the trending pairs right to the top. This used to take 3 minutes to go through 30 pairs. Now it takes 30 seconds, right? So that was the update a couple weeks ago. And now this update, and the updates just keep coming. I don't know what you're waiting for. But anyways, this is how you do it, guys. So if you're a customer, right, you want to log into your account in the back, all right? Let me go back to the beginning here. So when you log in, all right, you're going to log in and land on, this page when you log in, all right? And it might say something different here. These banners change all the time. But what we want to do is a couple things. First thing you want to do is download the IM Academy app. It's going to have this gold crown icon for the app. All right, just type in IM Academy, download that app, and then sign into that app using your username and password. All right, so that's step one. Step two is you want to come over here to this little alerts tab here, this alerts icon, click that, and then click on the settings tab. And what you want to do is make sure this one's on right here, strategies, right? Turn that on. All right, that's step two. Step three is you want to come over to Go Social. Okay, and you want to come over to all educators and you want to find Brandon Boyd and Dr. Josh Lee. These are the guys that created the Impulse scanner, and you want to subscribe to them. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, now you are subscribed to these educators here. Okay, and see, it says subscribed, right? So now the next thing you want to do is come over to Impulse. All right. And it's going to look the same, but you come over to these three dots and click that and check this part out here, guys. So now you can come in here and select the assets you want to get alarms for, right? So maybe you follow Forex. You can just hit select all, right? That's it. You can select commodities, gold, right? I like to trade gold. I also like to trade silver, right? You like Bitcoin, you can select any of the coins. You can get macro trend alerts on crypto. It's insane, right? Come down here, you want indices. I like to trade the 500 and I like to trade 100, right? SPX 500 and NAS 100. And then stocks. I don't trade any stocks, but you can get macro trend alerts on the stocks, right? And then now over here, what time frames do you want to be alerted on, right? A lot of people use this for scalping. On the 1 minute. So you just come here and select the 1 minute, because if you select everything, you're going to get just tons of alarms, right? You want to get this thing filtered out to the things you like to follow in the time frames you like. So you can click on, a 5 minute if you like to trade on the 5 minute scalp, right? Or if you want to monitor both, click both, right? If you're a swing trader, someone who wants to trade, on the higher time frames, right? Just select your time frame, whatever your trigger chart is. You like to trade off the 15, boom. You'll get alerts on the 15, and you can just change this at will. You know, if you find you're getting too many alerts and you're like, you know what, I'm just going to cover 10 pairs, and you kind of deselect, come in and select, you know, the different pairs that you want, right? And then boom, those are the ones that you're going to get alerts on. All right, how freaking cool is that? And the alerts will be pushed to the app on your phone. So make sure on your particular phone, you go into the apps and you make sure notifications are set, make sure your phone's on, make sure your volume's up. You know, go to that particular app, you know, like an iPhone, I can go into general settings, it's got a list of all the apps, and I can click on the app and then, you know, select how I want signals. If I want audio, if I want it to vibrate, if I want it to show up on the screen, right? Make sure you got all that, you know, set up. And then blam, we have alerts, right? So you combine that with this macro trend filter, and holy crap. Holy crap, right? Do we have something super powerful here, guys? So those of you that are customers, you know, thanks for plugging in. Thanks for trusting us. Thanks for hanging out and hanging on. You're greatly rewarded here. And there's even more updates coming down the road, guys. This is just the tip of the iceberg, right? But I wanted to get this out as quickly as possible. Watch this training, apply it, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. All right. And let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think about this. This is crazy. And if you're not in this, like I said, what are you waiting for? This thing is just getting better and better and better week after week. Reach out. You know, if you're watching this on my timeline, on my page, reach out to me. I'll get you the details. If you're watching it in one of our groups, get back to the person that showed you the group, man, and get in. At least check it out. At least check it out, because I'm telling you, I think you're going to love it. All right. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the inside.